Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Virgos, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship. We are picking few cards. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. So, these are for your general energies, Virgos. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation. Virgos, I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy, so that reading may clear your doubts or may answer some questions you have in your circumstances, so you can watch that reading. And Virgos, I request you to watch this reading till the end because at some point of this reading, you will get the clarity you are expecting to see today. So let's start with these cards here. First, for your general energy. So it's Scythe, Cross, and Fish. So Virgos, in your circumstances, it may be your energy or your person's energy. You have you are doing something, you are focused on something, you are trying to do something, and you are trying your best today, but you are not seeing any changes. So in your circumstance, you have some addictions or something you want to control, bring into control, some obsessive habits or obsessive thoughts. You're worried, you want to change the way things are going in your life, and you may feel that circumstances are out of control because these addictions are affecting the way of your life, and these thoughts or habits are draining you emotionally and physically. You are feeling very much stressed and you don't know what you will be doing or what you can do today. So, some kind of confusion, doubts because you are not able to bring this circumstance under control. So, it may be your energy or your person's energy, and that is the reason you are trying to change yourself. You are taking up some kind of a practice, a spiritual practice, or you are changing your beliefs. You are trying to be different today. So, you want to change your circumstance or change yourself no matter what troubles you are seeing in your situation today, Virgos, in your relationship. So, we will see what is the card. It's Rider. So, with this card, that is what I was speaking about. No matter what comes, you are challenging your life, challenging your circumstance. So, you may see difficulties on your path. You need to do a lot, maybe try to be better each day, try to be better than before, and you are working relentlessly, but you are someone who will never lose faith, who will never back down. That is the reason something beautiful is coming for you. It is going to be a very big news, a very happy news. Something that is going to change the way things are going in your life. So you are working hard, trying your best, working relentlessly. And all those efforts are going to give you what you need today, Virgos. So something beautiful will unfold in your life very soon. So that is the energy here with these cards. So for your career situation, wow, again a very beautiful card. So it points out to a new beginning, guys, Virgos, a new beginning in your life, a new way of things for you. So, whatever you are worried for, all that is changing today, Virgos. Circumstances are changing. The delays you saw in your career, all that is changing. And whatever troubles you had in your relationship, all that is changing for you. So that is the reading with these cards for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. Stay tuned for the pick a card that is coming up right now. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So now let's start the reading with the first card. So for those who chose this first card, we will see what it is. Tambulina, expectations. So in your circumstances today, you may feel that people are not treating you the right way. People do not value you or respect you for what you are. There are a lot of challenges you are facing right now. But you need to understand that if you do not know the worth of something, we will not know anything, the value of something, we will not know anything of that object. So, the same way, people do not know your value. That is the reason they are not treating you the right way. So, you are going to find the people who will respect you and who will understand you as you are. And people, your soul family, will find you. And you do not have to accept relationships where you feel that you do not love them and they do not love you. And maybe today you may have something confusing you, lack of clarity may be there. You may feel ridiculed or rejected for being different, but you need to understand that at the right time you will find what you are, your true name, your true soul family. And this is the time for you to make your own friendship, make your own, find your own relationship. It is time for you to take care of yourself, to choose for yourself, and maybe in all these troubles and challenges, do not lose hope and do not lose your warm spirit, that warm heart you have, because you are a very loving and a very kind person. You should never forget that. And there is no one like you. You are so unique, and you will find the people who are unique like you, who are similar like you. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading. So we will see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, this is a crystal spirit card. So this crystal spirit card is here to tell us that angels are there guiding us today, guiding us in our life, nudging us forward, or whispering to us, sending us love and helping us in any specific challenges we are facing in this relationship. So these angels are our friend, the perfect teacher, and the ones who heal us, and the ones who heal us by connecting us to people who are like us. So Sometimes you may feel that strangers may tell you some words and it may have a very deep impact on you. You need to understand that it is the angel's message for you, guidance from the angels coming through some strangers at some time. So you need to pay attention to those help or the unexpected help that is coming to you. And today, if you reach out to these angels, if you just pray to them in a very, what to say, pray to them in a very open way, telling them what you need in your heart of hearts. If it is a very simple prayer, a heartfelt cry for help, that is going to give you the answers you need today, guys. And the angels and guides who are here looking for you, looking out for you, will come out, reach out for your prayer, and will help you today. So, a very beautiful guidance here, guys. And this crystal is about opening the chakras in our body to welcome the blessings and abundance that is coming, that is all around us, and to clear all the energetic attachments we may have. So, this is the stone for us to feel that connection towards that higher power, angels or God, whatever we may call it. So, that is the energy here with this card for you all. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I will see you next time. Bye, guys.